In this session, we're going to have a look at how to create and use a template project within Dockhaven. So if I launch Dockhaven, bring it to the front here. Now what I've done behind the scenes is already set this project here called Membership Details as a project with its particular files. Not only as a project, but as a template. So that if we click on the new button here, you'll see that the Membership Details project shows up there as an option to create a new project from that. Now what I'm going to do in this circumstance though is go off and turn the accounts into a template. Now that might be useful if we have the 2010 accounts and we go, look, we don't want to start 2011 from blank, we want to make use of all of the documents that worked on before in the 2011 project, but leave the 2010 alone. So the way we'd do that is we'd come up here to 2010 accounts, highlight on it, then click on Inspector. Now when we bring that to the front, we'll just need to wait for that to refresh because at the moment it's looking for membership details. And there we go, it's now looked up all of the details for the accounts project. Now you'll see here there's one of the options called template. If I click that on and then go update, what that's going to do is mark this particular project as being a template project. Now what a template project does, as if I click on the new button now to create a new project, is it means that we now have both those projects available to be used as templates. So let me go and put this one away first, just so we have a copy of all those different files up on the server. You don't need the project to be in or out, it doesn't matter. Now when you create a template project, other people can already have had that project out. What you're going to be doing is making a new project based upon the latest version on the server of that particular template. So that the advantage of that is you can put in, for example,
finish put away of 2010 accounts.
Standard letterhead documents and things, and when it comes to somebody can be working on them, improving those, while others are still making use of the template. Okay, I'll close that down and come along here to new, and there's our new project and our new template, I should say, and there you go, it's got a decent size in there. Now what I'm going to do is highlight the 2010 accounts and go create new from. It's going to make a copy of that project, which is 1397, and it's going to copy that down to my computer and make it a whole new project. So the old one will still exist there. We now have a new one called
finish new of new 2010 accounts.
And I would say it would be sensible to come in here and rename this project to be 2011 accounts, just so we don't get confused of having two projects with the same name. They'd still have their own unique number, but this way we can keep the old 2010 accounts as well as we move on to the new 2011, and those two projects are kept separate. Okay, that's how we create a template, and that's how we use a template, and of course the same thing can be used to turn something off from being a template. Okay, I hope that went well. Thanks a lot. Bye.